Welcome to another real-time trade. In this video, I'll discuss several ways to manage the trade to empower you to design a trade management model that suits your unique mental wiring. This is the stuff of the real game. Now let's join the trade in progress. Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning to you. Hope all is well. 9:32. New York has just opened. I often like to start my recording of the session here right at the open or right near the open. I don't typically trade in the first 10 minutes, as most of you would know if you've been following me here for a while. But watching the three sisters here, NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow from left to right, 1 minute chart, volume, weighted average price, VWAP, the blue line in the middle, 2.5 standard deviation bands on either side, selling off a little bit here into the open. I'm going to scroll out a little bit so you can see what the European session showed us. You see that there? So we've been kind of rallying a little bit here. Let me take you to the 30-minute Three Sisters. 30-minute chart. This is the Asian session, and this is the European session. Now we've just started the first candle, of course, of the New York session. So you'll see those colors look like this later on today. Asia, Europe, New York. Narrow range, expanding range, explosive range. We see that kind of pattern happening pretty much every day. And that little tidbit is powerful if you understand the implications for your trading. I've done videos on that as well. You can see that we are pretty much an inside day here still on the NASDAQ. This is yesterday's high. This is yesterday's low. We had a breakout above yesterday's high. Let me show this to you. See, there's the high of yesterday. Breakout above during the UK session. And an inside day here on the Dow so far. Be watching this, guys. I'll put you on pause every now and then, possibly for extended periods of time, especially in this low VIX environment. I just sent out a VIX chart to my Telegram group and I posted it on Twitter. We're looking at about, I think, a 14.3 VIX, very low. Anything below 20 usually causes challenges for most day trading models, not all, but most, in my experience. And that's the environment that we're in right now. I've been averaging about one trade a day for this model for the last week and a half. All right, guys, I'll put you on pause now, and I'll bring you back as things develop. All right, guys, sell stop order right here. Sell stop order right below that little body you see there. Stop above, and I'm in, guys, and I'm in. Just struggling a little bit here with my platform, guys. Bear with me, but I'm in. All right. Thanks for your patience there. There's my actual entry. This is a trend continuation trade, guys. On the new 30-minute candle that you see there. The coin has been tossed. Let me just get my spacing right here. An ultimate target of 2R. Primary target of 1R. I'll put you on pause and bring you back. Talk about this a little bit more. And target 1 has been hit. So the 1R all or nothing trader has left the game with full profitability. And the 2R move stop to break even at 1R has moved their stop to break even. They will either get a 0 or break even or a 2R. The 1.5R trader now, as you can see, is looking to see if they can get their target hit as well. And we're done, guys. It was very quick. And so all four models, 1R, 1.5R, 2R, all or nothing traders, all profited fully. And of course, the 2R move stop to break even was not stopped out of break even, but got the full 2R as well. This is a trend continuation trade, guys. Very self-explanatory. Impulse down, corrective up, impulse down, corrective back up. Topping tails. This is a flipping tail here. The moment that happened on the new 30-minute candle, it was a no-brainer to hit that. Based on what I could see here, flipping down and then seeing what was happening on the Three Sisters. I'll show that to you as well. Here's the NASDAQ, of course, the S&P, and the Dow over here on the far right. The Dow being the weakest of the three. Remember, the Nasdaq actually rallied, erased all of the move down from the opening of the New York session, rejected down. The moment that began to happen, with the S&P the second weakest, or second strongest if you like, topping at and flipping at VWAP, and then taking the weakest of the three for a trend continuation move. Fairly self-explanatory, all three of them doing very much the same on that last down leg of that impulse wave. Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate you. I'm sure we'll see you again a little bit later. Have an amazing day. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.